Yo, this is how you guys swing trade cryptocurrency. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So, obviously, first thing I like to go ahead and do is head over to this website. It's going to be in the link in the description below and comment section. So, it's going to be called CoinGecko.com. So, on this website here, you guys are going to be able to go ahead and see a list of all cryptocurrencies, as long with their market cap, their trading volume, and you guys are going to be able to see the largest gainers and what's trending. So this also works for altcoins and stuff like that. You guys just have to go to categories and you'll be able to go ahead and select the type of coins that you guys want to trade or crypto, whether decentralized or not. So, but anyways, so this is just for crypto though. So we're gonna click on cryptocurrencies, and you're gonna be able to go ahead and see a list of all the cryptocurrencies which are being traded heavily. So you guys can go ahead and come over to this over here and click on the little 7-day option here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click it once, and you guys are gonna be able to go ahead and see the top cryptos that have moved heavily within the last week. So if you guys wanted to short your crypto, you can go ahead and see what's moved exponentially, vertically up, and then go ahead and take short setups based off of that. Now, if you guys wanted to buy the lows off of crypto, you can click the 7-day again, and you'll be able to go ahead and see some certain cryptos here in which that have dropped significantly. So let me go ahead and let's look at the Stark one. So we have STRK. Let's go ahead and take a look at it on TradingView. So we see that this one has dumped significantly. It's dumped around 27% within the last week. So let's go ahead and let's check it out on Coinbase. So I'm going to type in STRK in the crypto section and click on Binance or Coinbase or whatever you guys see. And I'm going to go ahead and click it from here. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and, so after you guys have gone ahead and found it, you guys can go ahead and use pretty much any chart that you do want. It really just depends on you. Some will be a little more accurate than others. So I really do recommend you guys definitely playing the most accurate one that makes sense to you on your trading view. Usually the one that says spot is usually going to be good as well. Usually the one that says spot is going to be a very accurate one. So we'll go with the spot one here. So what we're going to go ahead and do here is I like to draw Fibonacci retracement from the very top of the level all the way to the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and draw it to the bottom of this low here. Boom. So as you guys can see here, I'm going to scale down to my lower time frames, and we are going to be having some nice reactions on this fib retracement here. So as you guys can see here, we started having buying kind of near this level here, having some nice bounces. Same thing with price stopping out around here, having a nice short setup, and then creating this as a nice resistance here and support. So when you guys are swing trading crypto, obviously you want to be playing things that definitely has some longevity in the market. So this STRK coin, this doesn't have too much levels, but as you guys can see here, the bottom of the coin over here is Tuesday the 20th. So we know that if price comes around here, it's going to be a very nice chance for it to go ahead and get bullish down here. So yeah, this would definitely be a nice time to maybe buy this coin and catch it for a nice bounce up. So you guys can pretty much just continue to do this. Same thing if you guys are on Bitcoin as well. For all my Bitcoin and Sol traders as well, I'll show you guys how you can do this. So I like to go ahead and start off on my weekly or my daily. When I'm on the weekly or daily, I like to go ahead and look for the most accurate lows and the most recent all-time highs. So you guys can also use the indicator swing levels and liquidity by Leviathan. And you guys can also click on the eyeball here and you'll be able to see the high areas of volume. What I like to do is go ahead and drag my Fibonacci retracement from the very top of this and go ahead and drag it to the very bottom of the wick down here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some hidden fib settings as well. So you guys can go ahead and copy my fib settings. I have 0, 0.236, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, 1, 1.618, 2.618, 3.618, 4.236, 1.72, 1.414, 0.886, 0.114, 1.312, 1.312, 1.132, 1.272, and 0.691. So these are the hidden fib levels that I use, guys, and as you guys can see, extremely reactive, man. It's almost like it just makes it so simple, like a Halal Akbar, man. Thank God. Thank God for the system, man. I make it extremely easy for you guys to trade, man. Just follow along your fib, follow along where volume is, and just continue to go ahead and follow through the trend like this. So you guys are able to go ahead and once you guys have charted out your higher time frame setup, you should be able to go ahead and you could scale on the daily if you guys want, and you should be able to go ahead and just farm supports and just go ahead and buy every single dip. Or if you guys are trading Bitcoin futures or something like that, you can continue to go ahead and short every single burst. So yeah, that's how you guys want to be swing trading crypto. You want to be making sure that you are either playing things that's already dumped, or you want to be making sure that you do know the key levels of whatever you are trading, obviously. So let me go ahead and let me drag this over here, and let's go ahead and look at this STX one. So as you guys can see, we have the STX one here. I'm going to go ahead and look for the one that makes sense. So we'll go ahead and we'll just do the tetherist one for now. And I'm going to go ahead and just go to the weekly time frame. So as you guys can see here, I'm going to go to the monthly time frame actually. So I'm starting to see a little wick off of this little support down here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, it looks like I'm going to go ahead and drag my fib, and I'm going to go ahead and drag it from the top, and I'm going to drag it to the bottom like this here. Now, if I go ahead and scale down to the daily here, as you guys can see, we are getting some bearish price reaction based off of this level here, letting us know that, okay, this weekly support level that it created over here is most likely valid. Why? Because there's also going to be some volume down here as well. As you guys can see, there's around almost 9 million orders down here, and then we have a very hefty amount of orders coming in from over here as well from these swing point lows. So this is letting us know that this is okay. This is definitely a very strong support here, and we would be able to go ahead and as soon as price were to go ahead and retrace down, then we would go ahead and take this up for another buy and continue to play every single support back up over and over again continuously. So, oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Definitely do love swing trading. This is how you guys swing trade crypto. I make it extremely easy for you guys. Let's go ahead and just continue to check out another chart. We'll do Solana. So as you guys can see, I already have this charted out. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the daily here. So on the daily, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the weekly here and see if I see any key support levels. As you guys can see, I see a nice key support level down here with these two wicks. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag my fib from the very top to the bottom of the wick down here. So yeah, sometimes you guys just want to make sure when you do draw it, that it is accurate, because sometimes it can be a little weird and finicky. But then once you guys do get the hand of drawing it on the higher time frames, you'll be able to just scale down and be like, whoa, this is extremely reactive, and this is like extremely nice. So as you guys can see here, especially around this support level down here, we're getting some very nice buying happening around here. So that's an extremely great sign. So yeah, very reactive fib levels, guys, as you guys can see. Getting some nice reactions off of these supports, nice reactions off of the supports, and you guys just want to make sure that you're drawing your fib on the higher time frames, then just scale down, and then you guys can just easily go ahead and continue to buy any dip. Stop trading wherever. I see too many people trading, and they're trading at the top of all-time highs, and they're just buying wherever, and they don't really know where they're buying, especially in crypto, guys. You want to be making sure that you're catching the bottoms, and you're catching the very tops if you plan on shorting it. Now, you guys can get with me for mentorship as well. Link in the description below. You can download and get access to my courses as well. And you can also join my one-on-one mentorship and Signals Discord using the link in the description below, stackmode.net. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, man. You guys have been absolutely fantastic. I love y'all. Make sure you guys stay prayed up with God, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. StackMode Chris. Peace. I'm giving a 1-day free trial in my StackMode trading Discord for my exclusive signals. Here, I'm going to be giving entry and exit alerts, levels, and trade breakdowns for futures, options, as well as crypto traders. You guys can also purchase lifetime access to the signals, where you guys can pay once and have access to the signals forever. Here, you guys will also find a link for my one-on-one mentorship sign up, and let's discuss how to get the best entries, and let's chat about strategy, risk management, psychology, and figure out what's holding you back. I want to help you guys get profitable, and payments will be flexible. I'm working with all budgets for my mentorship. If you guys want to help get profitable, make sure you guys join my Discord, and inshallah, let's make some money on.